First, I'd like to begin by welcoming everyone and thanking each and every one of you for being here today on this most happy of days. It is no accident that each of you are here today. Each of you are invited to be here because you represent someone important in the individual and collective lives of Taylor Ann and Chris. Take a step forward, mate. Go grab her. Go. The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who makes you feel complete. The person who makes the world a beautiful and magical place. The person with whom you share a bond that it transcends normal relationships and becomes something so pure and so wonderful that you can't imagine spending another day of your life without them. For Chris, that happened about 8 years ago when he met me. Well, actually 12 years ago, he met Taylor Ann. I know how deeply these two care for and love one another, and I feel privileged to be here today among all of you as witnesses of the commitment to a lifetime of love for one another. I think I've had the good fortune to meet some of you here today at some point or another, but for those of you whom I haven't met, my name is Lachlan Pritchard, friend to Chris and Taylor Ann, but today I'm a civil celebrant. We're here today to share with Taylor Ann and Chris a most joyous occasion. They have decided to seal their love with this marriage and have invited us to share in their happiness. Family and friends are important to them, as are traditions, and marriage is one of the most important traditions we follow. Real love in marriage is something beyond the warmth and glow, the excitement and romance of being deeply in love. It is caring as much about the welfare and happiness of your marriage partner as about your own. But real love is not being totally absorbed in each other. It is looking outward in the same direction together. Love makes burden lighter because you divide them. It makes joys more intense because you share them. It makes you stronger so you can reach out and become involved in life in ways you dared not risk alone. It's my very great pleasure to declare them to be husband and wife. Chris, you may kiss your bride. The formalities are now complete, and I'd like to introduce to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Smithers.